How to recover COD Mobile guest account. First, launch the COD Mobile app on your device, then tap the settings icon, which is located in the top right corner of the main menu to open up settings. Navigate to the account tab. This is where you'll manage your login options and account settings. Select bind account. In the account tab, you'll see an option that says bind account. Tap on this option to proceed with linking your guest account. Tap on bind now. Under the bind account, you'll see a prompt that says bind now. Select this or start the process of linking your guest account to a permanent platform like Facebook, Google, or Activision. Then log in using your social account. To recover your guest account, you'll need to link it to a social account. Choose an option and log in using the credentials for the account you'd like to link your COD Mobile guest account to. Then confirm the account link. Follow the prompts to confirm the linking of your guest account. This ensures your progress and data are saved to your linked account. Once successfully linked, your guest account will be associated with the platform you choose. Then save your account regularly. After linking your account, make sure you regularly bind your account to ensure that your progress is saved and protected in case the device is lost or app reinstallation. If this helped you, subscribe.